So before we answer what smart a city is, we've got to really understand what a city is. And a city really is a collection of systems, and those systems are disconnected and often conflicting. So for us, a smarter city is one where we take each of those systems together, combine them, and create much more optimized capabilities at the systems level. Each city has its own unique challenges, and for us, it's about trying to understand how we think about those challenges to the city in a very mindful way. We've got fantastic capabilities around some of the academic leadership we have, some great businesses that are there, some great community work. It's how we harness that, integrate that, build trust across those ecosystems in a way in which we can compete with these new emerging cities. And smarter cities have got to think about what utilities they need to provide to make their businesses more efficient and more effective.